I never wanted to have kids. And in fact, when we told our families that we were thinking of fostering, my mom was like, a child? And I was like, no, ma, puppy.
My mother is pretty much a Mother Teresa, but with a profoundly good left hook, my mother. Semmejt li inti il-primary caregiver fil-kuntest domestiku ta'kom. Adele is the primary caregiver here.
We got a 1-year-old in a caricot, in a vest, and that was it. I don't think heartbreaking cuts it, to be fair. It's devastating. And it's mind-blowingly disgusting as an emotion to go through.
Kids, man, fucking kids, they break your heart.
She was robbed of everything that we take for granted, and that is what fostering is.
Mela, tlaqna?